Can fault range of wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People worry that the fault range of wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, high-quality fault range of wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the fault range of wheel spacers and the tightness of lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric fault range of wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacers mean there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit the variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hub only by the wheel stud. If you are using these spacers, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric fault range of wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality fault range of wheel spacers and install them properly, they will be safe and reliable for road. Since the wheel stud and the lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the fault range of wheel spacers and wheels. If the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS fault range of wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM40 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, your fault range of wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric fault range of wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center fold of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric fault range of wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. First, fault range of wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric ring. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevel's fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since fault range of wheel spacers are components that can touch other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.